They are swimming fast. Woohoo! Sweet. Everybody eat. Okay. Everybody eat.
Hey, turtle.
Alright, turtles.
Turtle.
They are actually green turtles. Woohoo! Whoa, a lot of them.
Woo! Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they're big, Dad.
Oh, yes. There are
Oh
a
my
lot.
goodness.
Oh
Look
my
at that, Micca,
God,
go.
there
More,
are
Micca,
a
go.
lot. Okay, we're gonna feed them.
Oh, we have to buy a lot of bread, Dad, at
Yeah,
Walmart.
next time we'll come back with a lot of food for them.
There's the look, I see.
They love it. They love it. Some turtles are scared.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big fish. Oh
Where,
my God.
where?
Oh my
Oh my God, did you see that, Dad?
Oh yeah,
Oh my
big
God.
fish.
Oh my God, Dad, what is that, a koi?
A carp.
A carp or a koi?
I don't know.
Look, it's so big, Dad.
It is.
Oh, that's why people want to fish here.
Mom,
I don't know,
Daddy,
yeah.
that's
Oh
their,
my God.
Oh my gosh, look at that, Dad.
that's their mom.
Yeah. Woo, everybody eat. Everybody eat.
Oh, look, Dad.
Yep.
Oh
They're
my
coming
God.
from different angles. Oh my God. Woohoo. Where's the big fish now?
What? I don't know.
Are you taking a video, Mama?
Yeah.
Whoa. There's the big fish. There's
Where?
the big
Oh
fish.
my gosh, look at that fish.
Don't give everything, Micca.
Daddy,
Yes,
Daddy, you know
more.
what? Oh my
Whoa,
gosh,
they're
there's two of them,
big.
Dad.
Yeah.
Did you see the other one?
Yeah.
Oh, next time that's Daddy.
The way.
Yeah, we have to get.
No, I don't want to
Yeah.
catch them. I'll leave
Why?
them alive.
We can eat
But
that.
other people will, right?
We can eat that, Dad.
I don't want to eat that.
Why?
They're my friends.
Oh, that's really big, Dad.
It is.
Ha.
God.
And look at the turtles. A lot of them are
I
coming.
can throw so high. I can throw a lot of high. Look.
Woo.
Oh my God, look at that, Dad.
Yep.
It's really big, Dad.
It is.
We
Oh,
don't
you
need to
throw
go
far.
and buy fish
That's
if we're
good.
gonna get that.
Oh, I think they're happy.
Wait. There's not.
Oh. Woohoo.
I can throw it so high.
Yeah. Hey guys.
I throw a lot higher.
I think did they get full already? But
No.
some are still on the way.
Yeah.
I'll
Some
throw
did not make